Maddie is a dancer that had an idea to produce a dance sock in Vietnam with two special features, non-slip heel and a toe pad. She needed advice and a Vietnamese factory to help her make the prototype. She was excited to make this design for her personal project in high school. She found me online via my website, fashionstartupconsultant.com, and contacted me for help. She was not sure what the factories needed to make her a sample. She did not know a factory in Ho Chi Minh City that would make her a prototype. Her deadline was approaching quickly, so we made a deal. I told her, I will advise you and take you to visit a sock factory if you allow me to video our factory tour in order to share with my audience. Enter Kenny at GR He was very generous and invited us into his sock factory to learn and explore making her design. Kenny listened to her design description and offered his advice. Maddie asked about sewing a piece of suede as a toe pad. She also explained her need for non-slip silicone grip dots on the heel. Hopes were high. Kenny went on to explain the difference between single and double cylinder sock knitting machines, which he had in his factory. He showed us what the inside of cylinders look like. One cylinder can have between 98 to 200 needles. The higher the number, the thicker the sock. Did you know that socks are open at both ends when they are knitted? Kenny showed us the toe closure sewing step that is done by an automatic machine. Every sock needs to be sewn closed at one end. Then we got to see their new sock printing machine. How cool is that? The digital print head printed directly onto the sock. Then it entered the heater as light gray and came out as dark gray. Kenny's factory can embroider on the socks. When we were there, they were embroidering roses on the current production. As we were walking around, we brainstormed. Maddie got some good ideas on how to improve her design. Kenny told us about the importance of steaming the socks in order to set them to the right size before packaging. We saw a customer doing quality control checks of socks that were about to be shipped out. She used her tech pack as a reference for measurement requirements and artwork placement. On our way out, we stopped by the merchandising office and checked out some yarn color cards with various thickness options. In the end, Maddie was happy. She learned a lot, but also realized that her journey was not over yet. Kenny could make the socks, print on the silicone grip dots, but his factory was not equipped to sew on the suede toe pads. Plan B will be to work with an alterationist to make a sample, then visit a shoe factory that makes ballet slippers. And so it goes in the manufacturing world. One factory leads to another, and I can take you to both. Contact me for factory tours in Vietnam. It is my specialty and it will be fun. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.